How to link to privacy policy on Squarespace from website footer. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up the privacy policy and link them from the footer of your website. So it is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and we're going to visit up our account dashboard. So once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be heading over the website, and we're going to be right there. So what we're going to do next is going to be heading over the website, click on pages, and we're going to add the privacy policy page as not maybe linked. So I'm going to let it as linked or not linked, doesn't matter. So we are going to have a blank page. So we're going to head over the page that we have created, and we're going to name it as privacy policy. So this is the page. We're going to name it privacy policy, and we are going to be good. So we are going to click on edit, and then we're going to add a section, and we're going to search if we have something. I'm going to add a blank one. So what we're going to do here is going to be very simple. We're going to add a block which is going to be having a text here. So we can go ahead and click on the blueprint or the Squarespace AI. So we are going basically here to have, what do we need? A privacy policy. We're going to generate the text from here, and it is going to start creating the privacy policy. We're going to wait for it until it is going to be here, and we can go ahead to set it up. So now once we have created this one, as you can see, we're going to stretch it out to the text like that. So I am going to select all the text. Let's see, I'm going to put it to the middle. So we are going to select all of these, put it to the middle. I think that this is sufficient. I don't know. So we're going to head over here, and we're going to save the page. So this is the privacy policy. We're going to be having it just like that. Now I'm going to exit that, and we're going to be on this place. Now I'm going to head over the home page, click on edit, and we're going to head over the footer. This is the footer. I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to add a block, add a text, and we're going to name it privacy, like that, privacy policy. Boom. We're going to have the text just like that. We're going to limit it as much as we can, and I'm going to grab it here, put it like that at the end, and we're going to have the link. So I'm going to modify the text, select all the text, click on link, URL. We're going to have the privacy policy. So this page is going to be here. So I'm going to let's say here put it above so we can have some more visuality. So privacy policy, this is it. I have linked it. I'm going to put it here. Please work. So like that. Boom. And here we have it linked. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.